and in this episode I am going to make vegetable spring roll which will give the authentic taste to your recipe by using harissa sauce which we are going to make at home, and it will give the new taste like a Domino's Ziggy parcel to your vegetable spring roll. So let's start. For making veg spring roll, we want approximate 250 of gram refined flour, salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and oil, and we are going to make dough for our spring roll. Make a soft dough. Do not add more water because we don't want too soft dough. By using our hand we can make it. Guys, no need to add baking powder or soda. We are using oil to make our dough soft. It is not completely ready, guys. We want more water. You can sprinkle more water on it, and now see guys, our dough has ready. Then apply some oil. I am keeping this to rest for 10 to 8 minutes. Until that time we will make filling for our spring roll. Use a soft cotton towel to keep it rest. For making filling, we want some cabbage. We are taking vegetables to make our filling. You take vegetables according to your choice. I am taking some cabbage, some carrot, capsicum, you can take beans and peas also. Then add salt according to taste. Add some oregano. Again, garlic powder also you can add if you want, otherwise you can skip it, but I am adding it because I like its taste. And sprinkle some black pepper powder. Now our last ingredient is mozzarella cheese. Then I am adding this mozzarella cheese. Children love this very much. It will give a very good taste towards spring roll. Now add some mozzarella cheese. To add sauce, and the recipe for the sauce is, for making sauce we are taking some red boiled chili. This chili I boiled it. This is dry chili and I boiled it. Now it looks like this. Then add some coriander leaves to make fine paste. Using some salt and some garlic cloves, and grind it well. Like a harissa sauce which we use in Ziggy parcel or Domino's, it will give authentic taste to our spring roll. We are using boiled red chili with garlic, adding some coriander leaves. Generally we make any vegetable roll by using tomato sauce, but by using this sauce our recipe will zingy in taste. Now we have to add in it some mayonnaise. It is very necessary, then do not skip it guys. I have added some mayonnaise in it and mix it well. Now our sauce has ready to make vegetable spring roll. Guys, now turn to dough. Now see, our dough has completely ready. Then make small ball to make spring roll. Our ball has ready, guys. Let's sprinkle some refined flour on the ball to roll it well. Now we are going to make a small rotis from this ball. Now make a small roti from this ball. Then you can see that, guys, our dough it should not be so thin. Then I am preparing whole. After that we will add our filling. Now see, our all rotis has ready. Now we are going to make roll from this. Apply our sauce this time. Add our filling in between. Now add some cheese on roll. Add more cheese. I am adding more cheese because children love this very much. Now take water and apply it on the corners to pack it. Okay, then pack it this type. Now our roll has ready. Guys, do the same for all rolls, and we are going to bake it on convection mode on 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes as we bake our cake and our other baking items. So baked vegetable rolls is a different thing. I have prepared all spring roll, you can see this type, and I have kept it on this baking plate. Now apply oil on all spring roll. This time you have to apply oil properly. I grease it well from this side also. And for baking, preheat your oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes. I preheated my oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Now again I am setting on 180 degrees Celsius. It's 180 degrees Celsius on convection mode, and taking time for 20 minutes. Set time for 20 minutes. Now keep on grill stand. Now guys, our 20 minutes time has over. If you want more time, then you can raise timing also. And now you can see our spring roll has properly baked, and the texture of spring roll is also nice. Now we are going to cut it from between. Then you can see the texture how it comes. Now it is too hot, guys, then keep it for cool down. Now you can see our spring roll has ready to eat. Then keep a cut between all spring rolls. That can it looks like a rolls. Cutting rolls. It's cheesy and crispy also. If you want, you can add more cheese on it. So it's time to eat. Now it's time to test, guys. So let's test this our vegetable baked spring roll. Amazing. It's like a drink test. So guys, if you love the recipe, like my channel, subscribe it And do not forget to share with your friends and hit on the bell icon that can take all the notifications of my coming video. I will soon come with new recipes.